left as the hour turned 3 in the morning. Cause the night was full of everything I wanted, and my head hit the pillow with a smile. She was gone, but I guess she wasn't forgotten. So I make sure to walk with caution, turn the other cheek, it's been a while. But she comes again, crooked half smiling, guns for hands, both in a stranger's bed. Your phone is dead, but I'll understand. Are you satisfied? Are you satisfied? Are you satisfied? Did you blow your mind? Will you last some time? Are you satisfied?
Okay, my name is Peter Steve Ngabwe. I come from Zambia. Zambia is my country actually, and I'm a student at ITS, which is Institut Teknologi Sepuluh Nopember. Well, this event is so exciting because I would say that I've learned a lot, because this is my first time coming to Kalimantan. I've never imagined how Kalimantan looks like, you know, and because many people, they say in Kalimantan there's too much hutan, you know, like so I was thinking,
is it?
no, you know, in Kalimantan it's natural, you know, the natural environment. I like it so much because I can see a lot of green spaces. You know, I'm studying urban and regional planning, so we encourage 30% of green space, you know. So I think this place is so good, and there's potential to have good quality air in here. So I think Kalimantan is the best so far. I haven't experienced any bad thing. The people are good. So far the food is good. Yeah, so I think I don't have anything to say bad about Kalimantan. I'm just enjoying myself here. So like when I go back to Surabaya, I think I will see, already I've seen the difference between Kalimantan and Surabaya. Yeah, the difference is like the way people interact to each other, and the environment is so different. So yeah, I think I like it so much here.
Thank you, Peter. And
Okay. Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you.